If you're tired of mysterious check engine lights and costly repairs, you're not alone. Here are the 5 best options I've found and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1, MotoPower MP69033. Let's kick things off with the MotoPower MP69033, priced at just $19.99. What caught my attention was its no-nonsense approach to engine diagnostics. If you want a straightforward tool that helps you get to the root of engine problems without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The MP69033 offers multifunctions that let you read and clear codes, view freeze frame data, and monitor real-time engine data like coolant temperature and speed. It supports 9 different protocols, making it compatible with most vehicles made since 1996. With over 7,000 units sold recently, it's clear that many truck owners trust this tool. Now, some people complained about it not supporting ABS or airbag codes. Here's the thing though, if you're just looking for basic engine diagnostics, this isn't a deal breaker. It's still a solid choice for DIYers who want to avoid unnecessary trips to the mechanic. This is perfect for you if you're a casual truck owner wanting to save money on diagnostics. However, skip this one if you need advanced features like airbag or ABS diagnostics. For the price, it offers great value. Now, if the MotoPower's limitations worried you, this next one takes a completely different approach, the VDiag Tool VD10.
Product number 2, VDiag Tool VD10. The VDiag Tool VD10 comes in at an even lower price of $16.99. Its user-friendly design and extensive features caught my eye. If you're looking for a tool that delivers comprehensive diagnostics without the complexity, keep listening. This scanner is perfect for DIYers as it quickly reads and clears codes, checks engine readiness, and gives you live data, all by simply connecting to your car's OBD2 port. It covers a wide range of vehicles and boasts over 3,000 stored DTC definitions, helping you identify issues without wasting time searching online. Plus, its I am readiness function ensures you won't fail your emissions test. Some users mentioned the screen size being a bit small at 2.2 inches, which might be hard to read in direct sunlight. But honestly, if you're focused on diagnosing engine problems, the compactness is a trade-off for portability, not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly option that doesn't compromise on essential features. Skip this one if you prefer a larger display for easier reading. Overall, it's hard to beat this value. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for comprehensive diagnostics, the ZMoon ZM201.
Product number 3, the ZMoon ZM201. The ZMoon ZM201 priced at $39.99. Its enhanced features really stood out to me. If you want a tool that offers a bit more depth and diagnostics and a user-friendly experience, this one's for you. The ZM201 can read and clear engine fault codes and turn off your check engine light. It supports a broad range of vehicles and gives you access to over 50,000 DTCs, way more than most scanners. This means you can diagnose issues before heading to a mechanic, potentially saving you a hefty repair bill. Plus, the live data streaming and freeze frame diagnostics provide real-time insights into your vehicle's performance. However, it doesn't support advanced diagnostics like ABS or SRS systems. Some might find this limiting, especially if they want a complete tool for all vehicle systems. But if your focus is on engine diagnostics, this won't be an issue. This is perfect for you if you want a slightly advanced scanner without getting overwhelmed. Skip this one if you really need comprehensive system diagnostics, but for engine-related needs, it's a solid investment. Now, if advanced features are what you're after, let's talk about the Blueson Y319. Product number 4, the Blueson YM319. The Blueson YM319 is priced at $21.99 and offers some unique features. What really caught my attention is its battery health check capability. If you want a reliable scanner that goes the extra mile, keep listening. This tool not only reads and clears engine codes, but also gives you live data with a built-in database of over 63,000 fault codes. It's like having a personal mechanic in your pocket. The one-click battery diagnostic feature is particularly useful, ensuring you catch battery issues before they leave you stranded. Some users have mentioned the screen being a bit small at 2.4 inches, which can make reading data a little tricky. Look, if you're using it mainly for quick checks, it's fine, but if you prefer a larger display, that might be a drawback. This is perfect for you if you want a diagnostic tool that covers both engine health and battery status. Skip this one if you need advanced features beyond engine diagnostics. For the price, it's a fantastic option for regular maintenance. Finally, if you're serious about professional-grade diagnostics, let's look at the Diesel Laptop's Nexic USB Link 3.
Product number 5. Diesel Laptop's Nexic USB Link 3. Last but definitely not least is the Diesel Laptop's Nexic USB Link 3, priced at a hefty $749. This one is not for the casual user, but it's packed with features that caught my eye. If you're a serious truck owner or mechanic, this is worth considering. This tool is designed specifically for heavy-duty vehicles and includes a wealth of features like fault code troubleshooting trees, wiring diagrams, and the ability to view and clear codes. With a 12-month warranty and 90 days of diesel repair professional subscription, you get ongoing support and access to extensive repair information, which is invaluable in the field. Now, this is quite an investment, and some may find it hard to justify the price. But if your work revolves around heavy-duty trucks and you need reliable, in-depth diagnostics, the cost is justifiable given the time and money it can save you on repairs. This is perfect for professional mechanics or serious truck enthusiasts who need advanced diagnostics. Skip this one if you're just looking for casual vehicle maintenance, but if you want the best, it's hard to beat this option. We covered the Moto Power MP69033 for budget-friendly diagnostics, the VDIAG Tool VD10 for DIYers, the ZMoon ZM201 for more advanced engine checks, the Blue Sun YM319 for battery health, and finally the Diesel Laptop's Nexic for professional needs. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the ZMoon ZM201 because it balances price, functionality, and ease of use perfectly for most truck owners. Avoid the Diesel Laptop's Nexic if you're not ready to invest heavily.